As there will be no trek today, so I came off my bed late. It is really cold outside, for it has been raining since last night. There will be medical checkups on today at around 8:30 a.m. I went for it after going to the Annapurna mountain. We planted trees here for creation of forest. Here again, medical test will conducted by the ITBP authorities. For the grace of the gracious Almighty, I passed the test. Waking up early, we made our scheduled prayer. After breakfast, we started trekking for Navidam via Kalapani. Our today's journey will be of 19 kilometers. Nothing bad with the route. Along the one side of it, the ranges of small trees, and on the other side, the flowing Kali are stretching themselves. Lying there is a small forest of pine and fir. On our way, we saw Vyas Cave and Nag Parvat. Walking all on a sudden, we found a Kali temple. We even saw the Vyas cave from Kalapani camp. Kalapani camp is surrounded with mountains. The ITBP Jawans have built here a hydel power station on the river Kali. We made our lunch here and take rest for some time, and then starts for Novidang, more 10 kilometers from Kalapani. Only a little vegetation can now be seen at hence. Scarcity of oxygen is becoming prominent. The road was steep and it was becoming harder to trek. Novidang is the terminal camp of the Indian border. Here at Novidang is present an unique creation of the nature, the Om Mountain. The Om Mountain. I had my wish to see it, but it's my ill luck. I cannot see it due to cloud. We began to pray God so that Om Mountain becomes visible. Liaison officer said that it could also be seen at the time of return. The mountain peaks of Novidang are very sharpened, which though looks dangerous but creates beautiful scenery. Today we went to bed early, for we are to get up at 2:30 a.m. for crossing Lipula Pass. In the name of the God of Gods, we woke up at 2:30 a.m. We started in dark for Lipula Pass. We are supposed to cross Lipula Pass early 6 a.m. Else there will be strong winds and melting snows to make our trekking tougher. I was overwhelmed with anxiety and excitement of crossing Lipula Pass. Having no idea of the situation, we put on us 6 to 7 layers of warm clothes and set out in dark with torch in hand. It was pitch black outside with a circumambing fog, moving over rainwater fog and thin snow. In these situations, it's a real hard task. But had an unknown voice within. Move on. No fear. You must cross. It was making me confident. Lipula Pass lies at the Indo-China border. We had our passport checking sooner, the completion of our official formalities, and they kept it with them. We came down 4 to 5 kilometers. There was a car for us. We will have immigration and customs checking on the way. Lipula Pass is 16,500 feet in height. This high altitude, along with very little rainfall, have made it a barren hill, and it is reflecting in the presence of very little vegetation also. Natural beauty is rough here. Proceeding, we came to the Purong guest house. We will be staying here for 2 days.